Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another makeup video. It's spring and the flowers are blooming, so today I'm going to do a fresh, simple makeup look. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my skincare because it's important to apply skincare when it comes to having a flawless makeup. Ooh. This is very milky. Love it so much. I think I'll be buying another of this, and once it's finished, I've literally gone through half of this. And I use this morning and night, so this hydrates my skin so well. I'm gonna go in with my CeraVe moisturizer. I need to get a new lighter moisturizer because this is quite heavy, and since we're getting into spring, summer, I need something more lighter because the weather is less harsh. I'm going to go in with my SPF Bondi Sands. This is almost finished. It literally looks so white, but trust me, it does not leave any white cast. I like this product because I feel like it has a full coverage of SPF, but I don't like how thick this is, which I didn't mind because it was winter, but now we're getting into spring and summer. I need something much lighter. Now our skin is prepped, let's get into the makeup. I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This over my face. When I'm applying primer, I like to avoid my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Moving on to eyebrows, I love my eyebrows really thin. I love a thin looking eyebrows. I can honestly say I'm better at doing my eyebrows now compared to before when it takes me like 30 minutes. I mean, now it takes me like 15 minutes to just do my eyebrows to make it even. Sometimes I do find it difficult, you know, on a bad day, but on a good day, it literally takes me like 10 to 15 minutes. Cleaning my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, my go-to concealer, and it's in color Fawn. I remember someone tweeted on Twitter saying that Girl Pro is not the it girl anymore, that we need to switch up our concealer to Pat McGrath and NARS and you know, whatever. So I'm just like, can you let people just use the makeup they want to use? And not everyone can afford, you know, a certain type of makeup. Like for now, this is the type of makeup I can afford. I've been using LA Girl Pro Concealer and I've gotten compliments with my makeup. So the makeup shot I posted that really did well, I used LA Girl Pro Concealer to create that look. So please just use the makeup you can afford at the moment. And to be honest, for me as a beginner to makeup, I rather just use like a drugstore product and just practice rather than using expensive products. I've learned recently that when you're blending in anything, do not swipe, just blend so that your product stays where it is. Next, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Foundation Pro Filter in 420. Shake. Okay, and I'll put that on my palm. I'm going to try not to use too much excess of foundation. Just a tiny bit. Like that, like so. This is the only brush I like from my old brushes. And I'm also going to use the foundation brush to just clean up my eyebrows. I'm going in with my other dense brush to pat the foundation because I really want this to blend in properly. And I'm also going to use my beauty blender to blend. Next, I'm going to use my contour kit. Cuff case. I'm gonna use Blend and Snatched because I want to be snatched, baby. Ah, shit. Blend and snatched. Blend and snatched. A cheekbone, jawline, and the woofy vibes. This is Uche Natari's technique. If you don't know her, go check her out. I'm actually using her base makeup right now. And nose and the lips. Let's blend. Remember to just pat, and we're not swiping because we want the product to stay where exactly we placed it. Not bad. In the nose. I'm gonna use this orange blush first. I'm using the same Cuff Case palette. I've also learned that the way you apply your blush can either make your face bigger or smaller. And when you just apply it here, just put it makes your face smaller compared to when you put it like a contour. I feel like this is quite light, don't you think? Is it just me? Let's go for more darker orange, alright? I don't want this to be too much, okay? Just there, putting it there. Alright, yep, that's much better. That's much better actually. And again, the other side. Cute. Also going to go with my Pig blush, also from the same Cuff Case. This palette is quite pigmented, so I'll have to be careful. Put it there together. Ooh, it's pretty. I kind of want this to be a light pink. I'm gonna go with this lip gloss I got from the drugstore just to make it slightly lighter, because I feel like this pink is quite dark and I don't like it. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Next is concealer. I'm still using the Allegro Pro Concealer in Fawn. There, the usual place I do. I'm going to blend with a brush first and then use my beauty blender. You see how my blush was harsh before? Now that I've put the concealer, it's kind of just died down, which is what I love. Next, I'm setting my concealer with Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana, and I'm using my puff as well. Ooh. I'm putting in the, you know, here my nose. So I'm going to try to not touch my blush. As I let the powder sit, I'm going to do my eye makeup. I'm going to use my Morphe palette, and I'm going to do the Korean eye makeup because I feel like it gives more spring vibes. I'm going to go for a lighter brown. I don't think this is brown enough. Let's go with a little brown. I'm going in with my Rimmel London liner. I'm going in with Rimmel London mascara. Let's wipe up this powder because I've forgotten about it. Oh my gosh. Next, I'm going in with the lashes. I'm going to do my under eye next, and I'm going to use the same brown I used. You're going to do like an angled straight line. This is to make my double line. Oh. I'm going to use this shimmer. I'm going to use this shimmer to fill in the space. I'm going to use this glitter. This makes my eyes look bigger. Ooh. I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I saw this method on TikTok actually. So you take your tweezers, you put that there, and so use a tweezer and clamp your under lashes together. Ooh. Honestly, I don't understand what I'm doing. I just hope it works. And for the lips, let's try something cute. This is the Korean lip makeup to do. Brush to I'm going to use this pencil to draw on it. Brown pencil. I'm going to use a red lipstick in the middle. Honestly guys, I don't understand what I'm doing, but you know, let's pretend this is working. I did this the other day and it just worked. I'm also going to put this other pink in the middle. Just looks a bit weird. I did this lip makeup the other day and it just looks so good. I've forgotten how I did it, so I'm just going to outline my lips with brown liner because when you're a black girl, you have to just outline your lip just to make things look much better. Oh, what do you think? This looks good, right? Oh yeah. Okay, next I'm going to set my face with a setting spray.
Wanna feel, wanna taste it.
This brings me to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below what you think about this look. Before you leave, click on my next video where I showed you how to create a different makeup look, and this is the trendy wash denim makeup look. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.